Why do you have to be so crooked? It makes me so sad. Hey guys, I'm Janelle and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, let me just tell you that I make vegan recipes that are simple, delicious, and affordable and are always gluten friendly. It's a new year and maybe one of your New Year's resolutions is to start eating healthy and forget the sweets and treats of yesteryear. And if you are on that path, I am here to help. We're gonna make 3 of my favorite smoothies, starting with a protein choco berry smoothie, then a green detox smoothie, and my sunshine smoothie. So whatever you're in the mood for, whether it's to help recover your muscles after a hard workout, something to help cleanse your system after a weekend of bad eating and junk food, or maybe you're just looking for something that tastes like sunshine, I've got a smoothie for you. Just a quick sidebar before we get started. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I post 1 to 2 videos a week that mostly consist of healthy recipes, grocery hauls, product reviews, and more. And I would so appreciate your support in helping me build my channel and my subscriber base. And even better, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that when I do post new videos, you guys are the first ones to hear about them. And without further ado, let's get started and make some smoothies. For this smoothie, you will need 1½ cups of unsweetened plant milk, 1 scoop of vanilla or chocolate protein powder, 1½ cups of kale or spinach, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 cup of frozen berries of choice. Okie dokie, artichoke, let's blend some stuff up. First, add your plant milk into your blender jug. A general rule of thumb in smoothie making is always add your liquids first. Next, add your kale or spinach. You could also use frozen if that's all you have on hand. Gently push your greens down towards the blade to ensure they easily catch and blend nicely. Next, add the protein powder. Next, add your other dry ingredients, the cocoa powder, chia, and ground flax seeds. These seeds add extra gut-healthy fiber as well as help make this a somewhat thicker smoothie, which I happen to really enjoy. Add your little drizzle of maple syrup for just a touch of natural sweetness, and lastly, add your frozen berries. Seal the lid and blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds. Another tip, always add your frozen fruit and ice if you use it last. Since they tend to be a bit heavier and denser than your other ingredients, they help to slightly push everything down towards the blades, ensuring a better, smoother blend. It also helps from overworking your blender's motor. This smoothie is so yummy and perfect as a post-workout recovery drink. Just imagine those chocolate-covered blueberries or acai berries that are just so friggin' good. It's kind of like that. This protein smoothie is thick, rich tasting, and feels kind of indulgent, but is really quite a nutrition powerhouse. I like to top mine with unsweetened coconut shreds, but extra frozen berries or seeds would be great too. If you're into smoothie bowls, give this a try as your smoothie base. Next up is our Detox Green Smoothie. For this one, you will need 1½ cups of filtered water or unsweetened plant milk, 2 packed cups of kale or spinach, ½ a cup of mint leaves, also packed, 1 green apple, peeled, the juice of 1 lime, ½ a cucumber, and ½ a cup of frozen mango. Let's start again by first adding in the plant milk or water to the blender jug. Personally, I prefer milk as it adds a really nice creaminess and mouthfeel compared to water, but that's just me. You do you. Here I used kale, but once again, spinach is cool too. Next, add the mint leaves. I can't tell you enough how much I friggin' love adding mint to my smoothies. I'm honestly a bit shook that it was only recently I thought to do it. Minty fresh breath, anyone? Next, add that cucumber, another super refreshing and rather hydrating ingredient I might add. Add the green apple for some natural sweetness and tangy tartness, plus your lime juice. Mint, cucumber, lime. Is anyone else thinking mojitos? Because that's actually kind of what the smoothie tastes like. Lastly, add in that frozen mango. Frozen pineapple would actually be fantastic here too. Seal your lid and again, blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until completely smooth. Now, when I say seal the lid, I mean don't leave the top piece off like me. Anyways, moving on. Also, how ridiculous is that color? This smoothie is just flippin' delightful. Not only does it taste like a mojito, it's creamy, a little frothy, so refreshing, and is such a boost to the immune system. Packed with vitamin C and iron, a winning combination for nutrient absorption, by the way. This is a smoothie you'll want to make if you feel under the weather or need a boost from a weekend of junk food binging. Your body will thank you. Let's finish up on a sunny note, shall we? For this smoothie, you will need 1.5 cups of orange juice, 1/3 cup of non-dairy vanilla yogurt, a 1-inch piece of peeled fresh ginger, 1 small carrot, also peeled, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of frozen mango. So I think you get the drill by now. Start by adding in your orange juice to the jug of your blender. Next, add in your vanilla yogurt. Now, if you only have plain yogurt, that's fine too, but I personally prefer vanilla as it adds just a nice little kiss of flavor that complements the orange juice really well. Next, add in the carrot, banana, and piece of ginger plus the ground turmeric. A grind or two of fresh black pepper is a plus as it activates the curcumin in turmeric, its active anti-inflammatory component. I forgot to do it here, but definitely do it. And don't worry about tasting it, as you honestly won't. Next, add in your fresh lemon juice, and lastly, your frozen mango. Again, frozen pineapple would be delicious here as well. Seal her up, and well, I think you've got it from here. Not sure why, but there's just something kind of satisfying about staring down the barrel of a loaded blender. Anyone else? No? Bueller? Never mind. Seriously though, doesn't that color just make you feel happier? I know the taste definitely will. A few reasons why this smoothie is amazing are 1, if you've run out of greens but still want a healthful smoothie, this one is legit the best, so easy, and you more than likely already have the ingredients for it. 2, it literally tastes like summer, and I don't know about you, but in these cold winter months, I could sure use any dose of sunshine I can get. And 3, it's a nutrition powerhouse. Hello, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Do yourself a favor and make this drink when you're feeling sad. I guarantee it will make you smile. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, poke that subscribe button, and that notifications bell so that you never miss out on any more of my future videos. I hope you guys go and make yourself a delicious smoothie, have a healthy day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!